Now, if you're in the market looking for a brand new phone, you may want to consider the brand new Google Pixel 7 Pro. Matter of fact, today we have a care package that just came in from Google. This is the Google Pixel Collection. It includes the brand new Google Pixel 7 Pro and the Google Pixel Watch. Let's go and check them out. Now, before going through the unboxing, there's a couple things I just wanted to highlight when it comes to specs. First of all, the Google Pixel 7 Pro is going to be available in 3 colors: white, hazel, or obsidian. You're talking about a large screen, 6.7-inch QHD with a 120 hertz refresh rate, which is going to be great. Now, Google's Pixels are always known for having great cameras, and this one doesn't disappoint. You basically have a triple rear camera that has 30x zoom, 50 megapixel wide camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 48 megapixel telephoto. That's a lot of cameras, and it's going to give you some amazing shots. In addition to that, you have a front-facing camera that has a 10.8 megapixel lens. So this is going to work in a variety of situations: for selfies, for pictures, for Zoom, for any kind of Instagram. You're a blogger, you're a content creator, this is going to work there too. Now, in addition to that, you have the latest glass protection, right? You have Gorilla Glass Victus. You also have a 5,000 milliamp hour battery and a great IP68 rating. 12 gigabytes of RAM and also 128 gig of storage. So a lot to work with right there. Now, for those of you who are interested in the Google Pixel Watch, it comes in 3 colors. You can have silver, black, champagne. It has Fitbit software that it comes with, which is going to give you, again, great stats when it comes to workouts and motivation, as well as just general tracking. 4G LTE capable, or Wi-Fi only, that's what you want to do, 32 gigs of RAM, and it has a 294 mega or milliamp hour battery. Now, battery life is going to be up to 24 hours based on usage, and it does have a built-in microphone and speaker. So let's check what's in the box, because this is super cool. Now, I really love the packaging that Google put together for the Google Pixel collection. First of all, really nice looking presentation. And when you open it up, check this out. It's going to open up. Here we have not only a little welcome card from Google, but you have a mirror. So as soon as you open it up, I see this mirror right here where I see myself, and it says Team Pixel. Super cool, very classy. I'm going to turn it at an angle so you can see the mirror and you can see the word Team Pixel there. So it's reflecting this way. Now, we'll go ahead and remove the card out of the way. Put this right here. And then what we'll do is we'll remove this nice little cloth, which is, I think it's got like a microfiber cleaning cloth at the same time. And here we have it. We have our Google Pixel 7 Pro and our Google Pixel Watch. Beautiful, love the color, love the white treatment. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take it out, we're going to take a look at it, we're going to compare it really quick to the Google Pixel previous version, the 7, and we're going to also take a look at the watch. All right, so let's take a look at the new Pixel phone. Right next to it I have the 6 Pro, so you can see that there are some differences. While the back treatment looks very similar, you can see some changes here at the very top. You still have that camera bump that comes out, but as we lift this up, you'll notice that while you have here the your triple lenses here, they've kind of been separated and accented a bit right there, right, with this chrome side. As we put it in this corner or this angle here, you'll notice your micro SD is still in the same place. You do have here this little bar that moves up, which is typically an antenna, and you can see that the treatment right here changes as well. I want to flip this way, and then you can see that your buttons are almost the same. They're just slightly aligned a little bit different. And then you have here these bars again. On the very bottom, you can see that pretty much the same when it comes to, again, speakers and USB-C. And then on this side right here, you can see that you have, again, your pinhole mic here. And there's something going on here that I don't know what it is, but there's definitely something there. We'll have to figure out what that is right there. Because the micro SD, or in this case, not the micro SD, the SIM card is right here. So there's something else going on up there. We'll try to figure that out a little bit later. From a screen perspective, here you go. This is what they look like. Fast. They look great. I'll go ahead and lock this one. Gotta put in the password. Now here we have both of them. They look gorgeous from a speed perspective. Super fast. And pretty much what you have here, especially as we focus on the Google Pixel 7 Pro, is very little when it comes to any kind of software. I did install the Fitbit software on there, but that's pretty much all there is to it. There's not a lot on the phone. We'll go look at tips and tricks and the first couple things that you should do in this a little bit later, but this is what it's all about. And then you obviously have, again, this Google section right here with all the news and things that are coming up. So that's your first look of what you can expect from the Pixel 7 Pro. Now here's the Pixel Watch, and I have to say that, so if you compare it to the Samsung, you can see how much larger the Samsung is. But one of the things I really like about it is the band and the overall fit. I like watches that feel like jewelry. I have the Apple Watch Ultra somewhere on my office, and I don't like that it feels like a chunk of metal on your wrist. I really like the fact that this one feels like jewelry. Let me go ahead and unlock this. Okay. Now this is what it looks like, and really, really nice display. Swipe over. Here's your Fitbit for the steps, heart rate, exercise. Again, Fitbit today, if we did something, the date. Again, weather. Right, set home address, set work address for that stuff. So that's everything going that way. If you go this way, it looks like it just goes in the opposite direction. Top, you have all your toggles. Bottom, you have notifications. This is your crown, right? So this basically allows you to toggle and access things. And then you have here a back button, right? We're going to be wearing this for sleep. We're going to be comparing to see how it fits. And how comfortable it is. And the first thing I will tell you, and I mentioned this somewhat a couple seconds ago, is that I like watches that feel like jewelry, that feel really good on your wrist. And this one, if we take a look at what that looks like, does. This one feels really nice. I don't think that the Apple Watch, especially the Ultra, feels good on your wrist at all. It's too heavy. It's bulky. It just feels like a chunk of metal. And this is what, again, the Pixel will look like. See, put it right here so you can see. There's a time. And if we look at here, this is the 7 or the Galaxy Watch 5, and that's the Pro, right? So that's what that would look like. And if we put them side by side, let's see if we can get them there on camera, you can see the size difference. While I like this size, I like the bulkier size, this looks good and it feels good too. So guys, that wraps up our first look at the Google Pixel 7 Pro and the Google Pixel Watch. I want to thank Google for making this available to us to check out. Love being part of Team Pixel. See you in the next video.